Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo Mimamunia Akwaba na ende okay, welcome to Ghana's #1 social platform. Na yebekasa pa na Ghana politics ni de sisi a eda trese mimpo de mebeka se e wo gata mu sisi a politics no trese eda latrine. Sorry, did afache me, but politics ni de sisi eda latrine mu. Eda latrine mu etiefo na mechanical first one na eye me say omo a asemba a wo musom atwim eyese first na me fi say MPP 4 pe enet sa isi a me hu ne say hey NDC 4 omo de na nye me hu ne say NDC 4 de na enye. I know that this thing I'm saying, some NDC people will come and say they are not happy with what I'm saying, but it is the truth. Me hu ne say NDC 4 de enye endra me mamoti ase se eyesa mi jemfi e release video na wo claim say Ekufuado emiamia emba na me fi say eho na etu betwa and so why could you upon Nkrumah? I've seen videos nkrofo can say could you upon Nkrumah sisia no e was your friend could you pono Nkrumah was then because Kwame A+ Babontin be ka say could you upon Nkrumah e ba ne ho e match so the projector be share eye pono and so and then dear mensu mehu any ade we a eda o screen enemy. Now the picture you are seeing is someone who resembles nipa de edin say yes nipa ne de was say a year MP for a year Ewutu Senya West constituency. I friend George Anda. I think George Anda is also the deputy minister for communication. Yes, he is the deputy minister for communication. Now main ka say you know because nipa din say but ne krane say picture no de esewono na picture obebisa se hwan de post here NDC for communicator bi friend Jifa Gunu. You sure say Jifa Gunu mo atenenka obi a wakasa pa ma NDC social media ni media platform ni nyama wono na we post this ade we na Jifa Gunu is also a politician etiefo na eme ya papa if this is how we want to take the politics politics no I was say just say we beka WTO da kon asema wo kan was free water na Ekufuado ama na sisi I was say the whole politics no ho na politics ni fia ba ho todo ne kre yen reading some wa Jifa Gunu wo troye efa this particular picture eda o screen so no o say we are back. Is that a lady's panty around his neck? Into Obisa Asemu. Say, is that a lady's panty around his neck? Do you remember why you had to wear the dirty panty around your neck that afternoon and where? And what you said about your wife to her? Watch out for the video at 3 p.m. Na Jifa Gunu Ebisa say eye woba panty na eda ne komu ana and ade na eda ne komu no ne kre ese woba panty. Nti obisa se eye woba panty na eda ne komu ana e no sanso ka se wakai enyama wakatre woba na ana se wondo ne yere na wodo oba na ana asemo Jifa Gunu no e ka no allegedly or allege ebe se wo tro se the MP for Ewutu Senya West chese say one ne side chick o se den you na oba ne de panty na hye ne komu na chese odwen nkra ho ntiase. Is this, I don't know, is it because of the election coming on the AEC nana? Like what is going on? What is wrong? Or is it because of what Kojo Oppong Nkrumah said? The Kojo Oppong Nkrumah kan the Speaker of Parliament Emma Kojo Oppong Nkrumah etwe sign and the practice I've heard and say you twe asem sign a parliamentar akwa yes asem ne kra yanka because any concern nkrofo kra discuss asem ne biom. So what is happening? This is below belt. Please, media. I don't know. Say you know, say a minister no, say you know, say a dear media. I don't care. So how do you know? Say sebi. I didn't walk as a panta and then come. How do you know say ebi krana and yan the yere dia? And how do you know class say ebia enye editing? And there are people who are very good in editing. Ade ni ho betumi create it say de ewo ho. And you have no way first no obi editing na obehun say o we de e Photoshop. Bend that there. Omo ahia adwuma na ama wo ye editing ne cra. There's no way for you to me wadamfo bi sa. He wo betumi aye editing pa say wo ebia wo kitansa. Me wa won no me nsanda obi abeje de say wo kitansa. It is a editing. How do we know? And you see, now I'm penny one sem into one shada ambo papa ni din. Ewo this right up mu. One shada one bo papa ni din. We enso no shada here and say we obisa questions in the sense say assemble honey the no kokota. Obeka say oh a question pen and now we obisa. Because I say is that a lady's panty around his neck? One bo papa ni din. But him say papa ni obia. We share picture now who say was say MP and a minister bia ye ni na ye den ye nim no. And so wasanso be posti audio bi and also sa say papa ne picture da so audio no in say hey. But won the previous post wo papa ni din waka say we dealing with the small ones first. The big fish will be ready for frying soon. George Nenyi Anda. Do you remember this day and what you said about your wife? And okay, say see you at 12 noon. Into of course, asem ni wie no, and obe posti picture yi. Obe posti sa picture yi that screen so. Is this what we want? Just because of just a social media, papa no nsemo a eba yenti baby asisi a me mamoti asese sa de na Tracy Boache ne Miss Bell be ye no. I escalate there to the point say and the crano it is even bigger than them. Enyama videos bi say ya eba abonten a ye de nsem ehye president ye kan nsem ahye Kojo Opon Nkrumah no, it is all because of Tracy Boache and Miss Bell nsem no. You see how it has escalated politics at the abejim. Ghana also se bibi koso na politics bejim pe na say. Hwese na ye de politics ababeji ade ni mu ma ade no asay poto. You see ade yate ye ho ase say ye dirty politics na ye play. Me have said, say papa obi enyi na waware na wo say obefa ne UH na wakoe we me enye ma asem o. Enye ma asem because me te ano maza enye easy sa o. Nyembe ya me ho say me ye holier than thou na ene obi a waware de o say otina wo baba ko ho obi a waware masa oni awarefo akasa na obi unze masa enye easy sa o. Me ware ye masa ya yen ware ye kra na enye easy sa o. Me munim say me nka montro. Me nka montro. Asa ya yen ware ye kra say woti oba ba ko ho enhye da nya easy sa o. And I'm not saying say it is him or not, but wabo papa ni di na watre and na we show picture and na walk say sebe dross and na she papa ne kon oba dross ne girlfriend dross so say den and na she papa ne kon asema walk no. But you see, it is none of our business. Asa die we kan na keni kwan say ye de be she Ghana politics mu. Akwa say asema Kwame A+ ewia we Kwame A+. O de audio bi mebo atre mu later. Kwame A+ ne audio bi. Ano so sana nkrofo bi threaten say wo mbe liki ni naked videos. No say he. Mo mbe liki me naked videos na fa me ho. Masa me re mba no. Na me re mba na emfa government to emfa bibia ho nte me re omo. Aden ye de sa de na ba be she politics wo be kom no mo a wo mo bo papa we yechi ka say oh why you say kra no wo be kom no mo kra no de omo ye no enye bi ni akwa say sorry obeti asori pa senia wosofu bi preach against adwamambo preach against we no na so obekọ pa na tre say small girl bi awo we ni da ne ho wa asori no na small girl ne ka bo record na trail of asemu a wosofu ne ka trail wo de unsa begu ni ti so aka say say wosofu preach na wo preach ni ano say tre say wo small girls ne wa asori ne krare abeya wanwa. Do we need to bring these things into our politics? The NDC should be ashamed of towing this lane. Me dem mama atiase, I have said, say Kojo upon Nkrumah de wo ye no wanya de intia na Speaker of Parliament e ma ne twen san ye. De Martin no Speaker of Parliament ma ne twen san ma asem ne koye say asem ne kra no asem bia ya mboso e wo Parliament House. Just say it enya me na meka say de Kojo upon Nkrumah ye no oye ni ye na even Speaker of Parliament who say Kojo upon Nkrumah de oye no wanya ni ye intia na ma ne twen san ye. But you see, as NDC, you want to show us that you are a better alternative to the MPP. It is a Kojo upon Nkrumah ayesa na krana. Show us that you are better. Don't come and show us that you can do worse. Maybe they don't know. Don't come and show us that you can do worse. Wako release video. Mo claim say President Akufo-Addo wo mia wo baato. Wako release man kwafo bebre aba bonten aba betwa abosami Jemfi ansomo. Masanso akeka nsem Kojo upon Nkrumah. Mo ye funny videos din nam. Say Kojo upon Nkrumah pa NDC just say nini na obi ayi nani. And that the modi beni. This is too bad. This is too bad. Miss Remo, one, Missy Nipa din say Nipa ye body din say minister no ebetumi abakra say enyo no. 2, ebetumi abasa ye editing. 3, even if eyo no and asebe eye pants kra. How do you know say enye ne yere pants? Me the question am bisa no. Me say eye 3 things. 1, ebetumi abasa enyo no eye nipa na din say. 2, ebetumi abasa ye editing ene ya ye. 3, ebetumi abasa eyo no ene ebetumi abasa ne krese ye pants na ehye ne kon. But me bisa NDC for no. How do you know say pants na ehye ne kon no sebe enye ne yere pants? It's just a simple question I'm asking. Now, if you politics, now you're time dodo.